Hey, what's going on? This is Oliver from Oliver Gaming. Today I'm going to be making slime. So, the things you'll need is some glue, food coloring, half a cup of water, and some borax. So first you're going to need 1 teaspoon. Oh gosh, I don't think this is going to fit. Hang on, I'm going to pour it in.
Pour it over the bowl.
Come on, borax. It's not coming here. I'm just going to put that down right here. I'm going to put that to the side. I'm going to put it down right there. Hang on, let me try and... No, it's not to eat, Jacob. Sorry guys, it's a little brother problem. Back off, Jacob. I'm trying to make a video, okay? Sorry guys, little brother problem. Let me just put some more, just a bit more. Oh gosh. After this I'm cleaning. You guys can just go play. Alright, so first we're going to take this bowl and add it in. And then I think, yeah, hang on. We add 1 cup of water into our bowl. And then you want to stir it till it's all mixed. Please tell me I did not fail. I hope I don't fail. After you're just gonna stir until it's, just keep stirring and stirring. Just trying to dissolve it a bit. Not all the way, just a bit. But it'll be good if you do dissolve it all the way. So I'm just gonna use both spoons. Oh, that's bad. No, I shouldn't have done that. And I'm just gonna keep stirring. Sorry, I'm only stirring. I'm just gonna keep stirring. Let me just mix it all up like so.
Dad, they're making a video.
And I'm also just gonna stir. Alright, I'm gonna stir faster. It's getting a bit okay. Now we're gonna add, we're gonna add our glue. Hang on, let's put this to the side. And then go all the way with this. We're gonna take our glue, add it all into our bowl. All of it. You want it all in. All of it needs to go in. Let's just get every last darn bit. Go. Keep going. Was that it? Yep, that's it. Alright, let me... Oh, hang on. I should let the the rest drip. Alright. Now we're going to add half a cup of water. And then, hang on. We are going to stir. Just like so. I think I need a bit more water. Let me just keep stirring.
It looks like milk.
I know. I think I failed. Did I fail?
No.
Let me just put in. You sure?
Now what do you have to do next?
Next, I need to add in some food coloring. Come on.
You need a spoon for that.
I'm gonna go get a spoon. Okay, so Ben, will you stir for me?
Okay. Stir it all. The gluiest. Whole spoon is gluey. All gluey.
Alright, I'm back. Okay, so I'm gonna take a bit of food coloring. put it in. Since I'm making it red, I'm just gonna put a bit of it in. Like that. Just gonna put this in. Let me take this spoon really quick. Scoop off all the other bits of this little spoon. Put that little spoon aside and let's stir. Stir, 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 stir. Okay, this looks terrible. Ooh, looks like bubblegum stuff.
Let me smell it.
No, don't smell.
That looks like pink milk.
Pink strawberry milk. Just gonna, oh gosh. So we're stirred. Now we're gonna mix both of these together. Let's hope it works. Okay. Please, 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 please. I worked so hard. Please work for me.
It looks
Now
like
I'm
it's
gonna take
turning.
the big blue.
It's turning into slime.
It's turning to slime.
No, you just need to stir it.
I just need to stir, stir with both.
You can do it with your hands. You know.
I'm just gonna stir with a spoon.
No, because then all the slime will stick to the spoon.
It's slimy.
Don't
I
worry.
want to feel it.
Hang on,
Can
hang
I
on.
feel it?
Gotta stir, stir. Oh gosh, careful.
Oh, it's slimy.
It's slime.
Can we feel it?
Hang on, now I just need to knead it with my hands. Let go. Let go, Jacob. Jacob.
Oh,
Hang on, I just gotta knead it now up. Oh gosh, there's still a bit of red food coloring.
It looks pink.
Oh no. Well, that's okay. Let me stop. Oh my gosh, I almost got the camera wet. Okay. Jacob, stop.
It looks like.
Now I need to stir just a bit more. Stir this. Oh, it's sticky. Hey, Ben. Get the little one away so he doesn't get sick. Hang on, let me put the lid back on the food coloring while my sticky, disgusting hands gonna go. When I'm done, I'm gonna throw all. Don't touch this when you're gonna touch my camera.
I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Okay, ta 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 ta. Okay, so I'm just gonna put in all my stuff I don't need right now. And whoa, 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 whoa! Leave the camera alone. Okay, thanks. I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna go to the grass, taking both stuff. Hang on. I'm going to the grass right now.
no, I want to take a plate.
Don't take anything. So I'm taking this. Okay, let go, please. Now I'm just gonna drip out all the rest of this water. Let me just take a bit of this off. Dip. The rest. Oh
You're
gosh.
squeezing all the slime in.
Oh no, hang on.
You should
There's a
cover
problem.
it a bit more.
That's a problem. Hang on. Gotta cut that.
Dirty stuff.
So it's
Not sure if this worked.
worked. We just need to take all the slime out. Stop, you guys, please. Okay, now we just need to hold this up. Okay, stop. You don't need to stir it. Alright, let's lift this up. Okay, and then we're gonna take. Oh my gosh, it's both slippery. Hang on.
Not yours.
Alright, let me just dump it.
That's fine. If you need some.
Let me still slime.
This
There's
bit.
the slime.
Okay, let me just grab the extra bits of slime. Okay, now we're gonna. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, your hands. Oh gosh. And this slime.
It looks like the bubble gum.
Looks like bubblegum.
Yeah, it looks like bubble gum.
Alright, let's get this stuff out.
I think it needs to dry.
Yeah, we're gonna take this. Oh my gosh, it's so sticky.
I know
now-
slime is
Just gonna knead it out here.
Why are you making slime?
Okay, can you please stop, Jack? I'm making it. And I'm just gonna.
Well, you need to stop making.
That looks like the bubble gum from Inspector Gadget.
Yeah, it looks like
I'm
bubble
just
gum.
Shut
Shut up,
knead
Jack.
it. Josh,
Don't be
Jacob.
mean.
And then, boom.
One
Feel
piece
it.
of slime.
Alright, come feel it. It's all sticky.
Oh, I'm not gonna feel that stick.
Hang on, hang on.
Stick to my hand.
Hang on.
Can you play with some?
Alright guys, thanks for watching my slime video. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. I hope you enjoyed, and so peace out.